It's getting chilly. Let's make some Italian wedding soup. To make this, you'll need some meatballs, some chicken broth, spinach, tiny pasta, salt and pepper, oregano, and basil. Bring the chicken broth to a simmer and then add your meatballs and your pasta. Cook for about 5 minutes covered so the broth doesn't evaporate. When the pasta and meatballs are almost cooked, add half a package of spinach or greens. Taste it and add salt, pepper, basil, and oregano to taste. My son didn't like spinach until he had it in this soup, so a great way to sneak in some greens. I hope you love this recipe. Love to hear from you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Take care till next time. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking.